What's going on, YouTube? I want to do a special edition for um my savings. I've been saving from the beginning of this month, so I want to get on and count it up for my birthday. Do like a birthday count up special video for like, it's not even a $5 challenge or a $10 challenge. It's just showing, you can save up how much you can save up within a month, which I just been putting money to the side and saving it up for the month of October. So since we at the end of the month, I'm gonna go ahead and do this video. Since I know I can't do it tomorrow, I'm gonna be busy for my birthday, so I'm gonna do it today and go ahead and show how much I done saved up so far.
So why it cannot be restored? Why?
That's worth it.
Hold on, let me do this video real quick. Alright, so I want just drop down the comment like how much y'all think this is. This is just a I ain't even gonna, I mean it's 50s in there. I just want you to just give it a thought of what you think it is. So $80. I do that just to make it a little more interesting for y'all. Alright, so this is the one I just got. Hold up.
It ain't do it. It ain't doing it. What do you think? Hold on, please, I'm caught.
Alright, so y'all. Show y'all what's in here so y'all can get a good count what you think is in here. Those all 20s. I ain't gonna show too much, so just give an estimate of what you think. Just from looking at it, you know what I'm saying? That's how you gonna do it. Just an estimate. Alright, so wanna use my calculator real quick? You on the phone? I need my calculator.
Y'all woke me up in the morning about 2 o'clock. I was just so good. I don't know why did you know what he is. Knowing that was still back to sleep. And then I wound up waking him up. So
I'm gonna call you right back, please.
then I get aggravated because I can't go to sleep, so then I can start making noise and waking him up. I mean, yeah, he got to take me. He ain't that like that. Yeah, he always say he's bad on the only day.
Alright, so I'm gonna pull my calculator out real quick so I can get an estimate. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. That's the fives. So I got the tens right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. No, I'm coming. I'm making this video. So that's 4 of these. No, 5 of these.
$250 then.
I got to get another charger. Mine's on screw.
That's 100 for the 20s. 80, 200. That's why I shouldn't even fold this shit off. But 20, 40, 60, 80, 6. Came on?
It's going on this computer.
Here I come. That food was good.
It was busting one. It'll fill you up quick.
Yeah. House people. You got the Lamar over the top part.
After all this time.
So basically what I'm doing, y'all, I'm just taking it, separating it to hundreds. Trying to separate it all real quick.
I got some Keto. Oh.
I got some more to go to. That is the one red. Jeezy, the ones to be toasted out, they run out.
No, that's peas.
Oh.
Shit, trying to.
Oh, I ain't know my Bluetooth is still on. Hey, but,
She on video.
Just birthday saving, yeah.
who did?
Alright, y'all. So, this is what I got so far. I just separated everything real quick so I can count it up. Alright, so I'm gonna count it up, then I'm gonna put it in the calculator.
I mean, it must be doing something.
1, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then I got
This 7. This
200.
This is already on the 2.
I know, I just counted these right here. 200, so that was.
Why is doing this?
Oh, because this is a starting hard drive.
It's while vibrating.
Yeah, it's working. I mean, it's working.
Oh.
It's on. 3,220. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all. Show y'all the numbers. Hold on.
Almost $5,000.
Yeah. And I was spending at the same time.
Yeah.
Because I had to spend for everything here. Let's see. Trying to fix this here. It's kind of blurry.
That's how much I'm doing here.
That's only from this month. Hold on. It would have been.
Stop. So long. Stop.
Would have been 5,000. I would have worked this.
Now it's going, you see it? Now
I
it's
would have
going.
worked this weekend. Let me see. So it's not. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's the numbers right there. I
You
got.
ate your food yet?
Shoot hurt down so damn bad.
Yeah.
Oh, I had to back up some. All right, so that's what I got,
I
y'all.
feel like it's taking forever doing it now because
Okay.
when I was doing it, it would run straight to it real fast.
So yeah, so that's
It ever took. So I feel like it's working now.
so that's my birthday edition. I basically I was saving up from the first to the day. So that's what I got. So if you was anywhere close to it, yeah, I don't want y'all to cheat though. I want y'all to guess off real like what y'all thought it was gonna be. But I may have more videos like this to come. If you started your savings challenge with me, y'all just keep on at it and drop down in the comments how much y'all done started saving up by now.
I see him.
And or just let me know how much y'all done saved up by now since I've been posting this about earlier this year about saving. So if y'all done started your savings and y'all haven't made a video or counted yet, or if you have counted, just drop down below which y'all done got so far. I mean, cause I want to know just as much as y'all want to know what y'all done saved up. So just let me know what's going. Let me know what y'all got going on, and I keep the videos coming. Y'all make sure y'all tap that like button, subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next video.